a vast and ever-expanding digital landscape, standing out from the competition and gaining visibility on search engines has become increasingly challenging. Fortunately, there's a powerful yet often underutilized tool that can significantly boost your online presence and improve your website search engine performance. The tool is Schema Markup, a revolutionary concept that holds the key to unlocking the potential of your content like never before. In this technology-driven era, search engines are constantly evolving to provide users with more relevant and informative results. Schema Markup, also known as structured data, offers a structured way to communicate with search engines, enabling them to better understand the content of your website. By implementing Schema Markup, you can effectively highlight essential information and key elements, presenting your content in a more organized and meaningful manner towards search engines and users. Hello everyone and welcome to this session by Intellipaat. In this session, we will thoroughly understand what is meant by a schema markup. Now, whether you run a business website, an online store, or a personal blog, harnessing the power of schema markup can lead to numerous benefits. It not only enhances your website's visibility in search engine results, but also enhances the way your content is displayed, making it more engaging and informative for users. As a result, implementing schema markup can lead to high click-through rates, improved rankings, and ultimately increased traffic and conversions. Now let us take a look at the agenda. In this comprehensive guide to schema markup, we'll begin with an introduction to schema markup. Then we'll learn about the types of schema markup and the significant benefits of implementing schema markup. Moving on, we'll delve deep into how schema markup works. And as we move further, we'll see schema markup for local SEO, as well as schema markup for e-commerce. Then we'll take a look at some of the common mistakes and troubleshooting. Furthermore, we'll learn about the future of schema markup. And lastly, we will provide some best practices and tips on how to implement schema markup effectively to maximize its impact on your website's performance. With that, we'll conclude. But before we begin, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates from us.
Now let's start with the first agenda, which is Introduction to Schema Markup. In today's digital landscape, where billions of web pages compete for attention, getting your content noticed can feel like finding a needle in a haystack. Search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo are continuously striving to deliver more relevant and informative search results to users. To achieve this, they rely on a sophisticated system that interprets and organizes web content. This is where schema markup emerges as a powerful tool, offering a structured solution to improve how search engines understand and present your content. At its core, schema markup is a collaborative language that facilitates effective communication between website owners and search engines. Developed by schema.org, a joint effort between major search engines like Google, Microsoft, Yahoo, and Yandex, it provides a standardized vocabulary of tags known as structured data that webmasters can add to the HTML. These tags act as a metadata layer, offering additional context to search engine crawlers about the content on the page. In simpler terms, schema markup helps search engines understand the meaning behind the content on your website. Instead of relying solely on the text itself, search engines can interpret the data more intelligently, identifying key elements like names, dates, locations, prices, ratings, and more. Consequently, this richer understanding of content enables search engines to display it more effectively in search results, providing users with enhanced snippets, knowledge panels, and other rich results. With that, let's move on to the next agenda, which is types of schema markup. Schema markup encompasses a wide array of data types, each tailored to represent specific content elements and concepts on web pages. These data types serve as building blocks for structured data, allowing webmasters to add context and meaning to their content. As a result, search engines can better understand the content and display rich results that enhance user experience. Now let's explore some of the essential types of schema markup and their significance. Firstly, we have article. The article schema type is designed to mark up new articles, blog posts, opinion pieces, and any other type of written content. It includes attributes like headline, author, publication date, and article body, providing valuable information for search engines to display relevant snippets in search results. Next, we have product. For e-commerce websites, the product schema type is vital. It helps search engines comprehend product details such as name, brand, description, price, availability, and customer reviews. Implementing this schema can lead to the display of rich snippets, including product ratings and pricing information, hence enhancing product visibility and enticing potential customers. Next, we have local business. The local business schema type caters to brick and mortar establishments. It allows businesses to provide essential details such as name, address, phone number, operating hours, and customer reviews. With this structured data, local businesses can appear in location based searches, knowledge panels, and maps. Next, we have event. For event organizers, the event schema type is invaluable. It helps search engines understand event specific information like event name, date, location, ticket availability, and performers. Websites utilizing this schema may have their events featured in search results and event specific listings. Moving on, we have review. Websites that feature reviews can benefit from the review schema type. This markup includes attributes for product or service reviews, enabling search engines to display star ratings and review snippets, making your content stand out in search results. Lastly, we have organization. The organization schema type pertains to information about companies, educational institutions, non-profit organizations, and other such entities. It includes attributes like name, logo, contact information, and social media profiles, providing search engines with a comprehensive understanding of the organization's identity. Now, these are just a few examples of the diverse range of schema markup types available. By incorporating the appropriate structured data for this specific content, website owners can leverage schema markup to optimize their online presence, improve search engine visibility, and provide users with more engaging and informative search results. Next up, we'll talk about the benefits of implementing schema markup. The first one is enhanced search engine visibility. Schema markup provides search engines with additional context and structured data about your content. This helps search engines understand your content better and improves the chances of your website appearing in relevant search results. Next, we have rich snippets and featured snippets. By implementing schema markup, you can qualify for rich snippets and featured snippets in search results. Rich snippets display additional information such as star ratings, reviews, and product prices, making your content stand out and increasing click-through rates. Next, we have improved CTR, that is, click-through rates. Rich snippets and featured snippets generated by schema markup make your search results even more eye-catching and informative. This can lead to higher click-through rates as users are more likely to click on the result that provides the most relevant and visually appealing information. Next, we'll talk about enhanced user experience. Schema markup enables search engines to display more contextually relevant information directly in the search results. This improves the user experience by giving users the information they need at a glance, reducing the need for multiple clicks and improving user satisfaction. After this, we have better local SEO. Local businesses can benefit significantly from schema markup, especially with local business structured data. By providing location-specific details like address, phone number, and business hours, local businesses can improve their visibility in local search results. Then we have higher trust and credibility. Websites that implement schema markup with accurate and informative structured data are seen as more trustworthy and credible by both search engines and users. Providing rich snippets with reviews and ratings can further enhance trust in your content and services. Moving on, we'll take a look at faster indexing and crawling. Search engine crawlers can process structured data more efficiently, leading to faster indexing of your content. This can lead to quicker updates in search results when you make changes to your web pages. Then we have competitive advantage. As schema markup adoption is not yet universal, implementing it on your website can give you a competitive edge. Websites with structured data may have better visibility in search results compared to competitors without schema markup. Next, we have better performance in mobile search. Mobile users often rely on quick answers and information provided directly in search results. Schema markup can help your content display prominently in mobile search results, enhancing user experience on mobile devices. Lastly, we have increased organic traffic. The combined impact of improved search engine visibility, higher CTRs, and better user experience can lead to increased organic traffic to your website. In conclusion, implementing schema markup offers numerous benefits for website owners and marketers. From improving search engine visibility and user experience to optimizing for voice search and gaining a competitive advantage, schema markup is a powerful tool that enhances your online presence and helps you stay ahead in the ever evolving digital landscape. Now, let's understand how schema markup works. Schema markup is the language that bridges the gap between the unstructured nature of web content and the structured environment that search engines require to process and present information effectively. Understanding how schema markup works involves grasping its underlying mechanisms and the way it facilitates communication between webmasters and search engines. Firstly, we'll understand defining structured data. At the core of schema markup lies structured data. It is a standardized format used to organize information by creating explicit relationships between different data elements. Instead of treating a web page as a collection of unrelated text strings, structured data assigns meaning and context to each piece of information. Next, we have schema.org vocabulary. Schema markup relies on a comprehensive vocabulary provided by schema.org. This collaborative initiative brings together major search engines like Google, Microsoft, Yahoo, and Yandex to create and maintain a shared vocabulary of structured data types and properties. Each data type represents a specific entity or concept such as article, product, event, organization, and more. Next is adding schema markup to HTML. Webmasters can incorporate schema markup into their HTML code using a set of defined tags and attributes. These tags provide information about the content on the page, allowing search engine crawlers to extract and understand the data more effectively. The role of search engine crawlers. When search engine crawlers, also known as bots or spiders, visit a website, they analyze the website's HTML code to understand its content. As they encounter schema markup in the form of structured data tags, they extract the relevant information, such as article title, product details, event dates, or organization names. Next, we have creating rich snippets and rich results. With the help of structured data, search engines can create rich snippets which are more informative and visually appealing search results. Rich snippets may include star ratings for products, publication dates for articles, event information, and other contextually relevant data. After this, we have improved search engine presentation. By implementing schema markup, websites increase the chances of their content being displayed as rich results, knowledge panels, and featured snippets. This not only enhances the visibility of their content, but also improves the user experience by providing more context and relevant information directly in search results. Next up, we'll talk about schema markup for local SEO. Schema markup for local SEO is a powerful tool that can significantly boost the online visibility and search engine rankings of local businesses. As more users turn to the internet to find local products and services, optimizing for local search becomes crucial. By implementing local business schema markup, businesses can effectively communicate essential information to search engines, making it easier for potential customers to discover them in relevant local searches. Now, here's an in-depth exploration of how schema markup benefits local SEO. Local business schema markup allow businesses to provide search engines with critical details about their establishment. Now, when combined with Google My Business, that is GMB listings, local business schema markup further strengthens a business's online presence. Local SEO relies heavily on geographical relevance. Schema markup provides geolocation data, allowing search engines to connect local businesses with specific locations, making them more likely to appear in localized search results. Next, we have with schema markup, local search results may feature additional information, such as business hours, contact numbers, and reviews directly in the search snippet. Beyond basic contact information, schema markup also supports additional attributes specific to local businesses. This includes attributes such as accepted payment methods, accessibility information, and special offers. Google Search Console provides valuable insights into a business's local search performance. By using schema markup, businesses can track and analyze data related to local impressions, clicks, and average search positions. And lastly, local business schema markup can be utilized on directories and review platforms that support structured data, such as Yelp, TripAdvisor, and Yellow Pages. By adding schema markup to listings on these platforms, businesses can make their profiles more informative and visually appealing, encouraging potential customers to choose their services over their competitors. With that, let's move on to our next agenda, which is schema markup for e-commerce. Schema markup for e-commerce is a game changer in the highly competitive world of online shopping. With countless e-commerce websites vying for consumer attention, standing out in search results becomes paramount. By leveraging schema markup specifically designed for e-commerce, online retailers can enhance the presentation of their products, gain a competitive edge, and increase click-through rates. Now here's a comprehensive exploration of how schema markup benefits e-commerce. Firstly, we have product data enrichment. E-commerce schema markup allows retailers to provide detailed product information directly to search engines. This includes product names, descriptions, images, pricing, availability, and customer ratings. By structuring this data, search engines can better understand the products and present richer search results to users, including product ratings, pricing, and availability. Next, we have rich snippets and product display. With e-commerce schema markup, products have the potential to appear as rich snippets in search engine results. Rich snippets are visually appealing and include essential product details, making them more likely to catch the attention of the users and entice them to click through to the website. Then we have enhanced shopping experience. Schema markup enhances the shopping experience by providing users with more relevant information upfront. From product reviews and ratings to pricing and availability, structured data enables search engines to display vital details directly in the search results, helping users make informed decisions quickly. Then we have increased CTRs, that is click-through rates. Rich snippets and informative product displays resulting from schema markup often lead to higher CTRs. When users see relevant product details directly in the search results, they are more likely to click on the result that best meets their need. Then we have improved product visibility. E-commerce schema markup can enhance the visibility of products in search results and increase the chances of being featured in Google's shopping tab or product listing ads. This exposure in product-specific search sections can significantly increase product visibility and attract potential customers. Up next, we'll understand showcasing special offers and promotions. E-commerce schema markup allows retailers to highlight special offers, discounts, and promotions directly in search results. This can make their products stand out among competitors and drive more traffic to their online store during promotional periods. Then we have facilitate comparison shopping. Structured data makes it easier for users to compare products across different websites directly in search results. This empowers consumers to make more informed decisions without needing to visit multiple websites, improving their shopping experience and saving time. Lastly, we have monitoring product performance. E-commerce schema markup data can be tracked and analyzed using Google Search Console and other analytics tools. Retailers can gain valuable insights into how their products perform in search results, such as impressions, clicks, and average positions. This data helps refine product listings and optimize e-commerce strategies for better results. Now let's take a look at some of the common mistakes and troubleshooting for schema markup. While implementing schema markup can be highly beneficial for a website's search engine visibility and user experience, it's essential to be aware of potential pitfalls and mistakes that can occur during the process. Here are some common mistakes and troubleshooting tips to ensure successful schema markup implementation. Incorrect schema type selection. Choosing the wrong schema type for your content can lead to inaccurate information being conveyed to search engines. Ensure that you select the most appropriate schema type that accurately represents the content on your page. For troubleshooting, Review the schema.org documentation to understand the available schema types and their attributes. Cross-reference the content on your page with the relevant schema type to ensure a proper match. Next up, incorrect schema markup syntax. Proper syntax is crucial for successful schema markup implementation. Errors in the JSON-LD, microdata, or RDF, a syntax can prevent search engines from understanding and processing the structured data correctly. For troubleshooting, use schema markup tools or online validators to check for syntax errors. Pay attention to opening and closing tags, commas, and quotation marks in your markup. Next up, we have missing or incomplete data. Leaving out crucial information in your schema markup can hinder search engines from fully understanding the content and relevance of your page. For troubleshooting, ensure that you provide all necessary attributes for the chosen schema type, including titles, descriptions, dates, locations, and relevant product details. Next up, overuse of schema markup. Applying schema markup excessively or using irrelevant schema types can be seen as spam by search engines and may lead to penalties. For troubleshooting, limit the use of schema markup to relevant content and avoid using the same schema type for multiple items on a single page unless necessary. Next up, we have duplicate content in schema markup. Including identical structured data on multiple pages, especially when using template-based schema markup, can confuse search engines and lead to errors. Now for troubleshooting, ensure that each page's structured data is unique and accurately represents the content on that specific page. Next up, we'll see ignoring mobile compatibility. Failure to optimize schema markup for mobile devices can lead to a poor user experience for mobile users and hinder search engine rankings. For troubleshooting, test your schema markup on different mobile devices to ensure that it displays correctly and provides a seamless user experience. Next up, we have ignoring Google Search Console errors. If Google Search Console reports any errors or warnings related to your schema markup, they should not be ignored, as they can impact the performance of your structured data in search results. For troubleshooting, regularly check Google Search Console for any issues with the structured data and address them promptly to ensure proper indexing and display in search results. And lastly, we have not monitoring performance. Failing to monitor the performance of your schema markup can result in missed opportunities for improvement and optimization. For troubleshooting, use Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and other analytics tools to track the impact of schema markup on search engine visibility, user engagement, and click-through rates. Analyze the data to identify areas for improvement. By being aware of these common mistakes and implementing proper troubleshooting strategies, you can ensure the successful implementation of schema markup on your website. Regularly review and optimize your structured data to maintain its effectiveness and reap the full benefits of enhanced search engine visibility and improved user experience. Now let's take a look at the future of schema markup. The future of schema markup is promising, as it continues to play a vital role in shaping the way search engines understand and present content to users. As technology evolves and user behavior changes, schema markup is expected to undergo advancements and adaptations to meet the demands of the modern digital landscape. Now, here are some of the key trends and predictions for the future of schema markup. Firstly, we have evolving schema types and attributes. As new industries, content formats, and technologies emerge, schema.org is likely to introduce new schema types and attributes to accommodate diverse information. These additions will enable webmasters to better represent their content and provide more context to search engines. Next, we have voice search optimization. With voice search becoming increasingly prevalent, schema markup will continue to be essential for optimizing content for voice assistants. Voice search will demand more precise and concise answers. And structured data will play a critical role in providing voice assistants with the necessary information to deliver accurate responses. Next, we have video and visual search integration. As visual search and video content gain popularity, schema markup will adapt to include specific data types and attributes to enhance the visibility of images and video content in search results. Visual-based schema markup will help search engines better understand image and video content and improve its relevance to user queries. Next, we have contextual and personalized search results. Schema markup may evolve to incorporate more data related to user preferences, behavior, and intent. This will enable search engines to deliver more personalized and contextually relevant search results, providing users with a more tailored and satisfying search experience. Then we have cross-platform integration. As users interact with content across multiple platforms and devices, schema markup may adapt to ensure consistency and accuracy in data representation across various digital touchpoints. This will be particularly important for businesses with an omni-channel presence. Then we have enhanced e-commerce and local business structured data. E-commerce and local business schema markup are likely to see further developments to meet the growing demands of online shopping and local search. This may include more sophisticated attributes for product information and improved integration with location-based services. Then we have artificial intelligence and automation integration. Advancements in AI, that is artificial intelligence, and automation may streamline the process of implementing schema markup. AI-powered tools may generate and optimize structured data based on website content, making it easier for webmasters to benefit from schema markup without extensive manual work. Next, we'll talk about augmented reality and virtual reality integration. The augmented reality, that is AR, and virtual reality VR technologies become more mainstream. Schema markup may include specific data types to describe AR VR content, enabling search engines to present immersive experiences directly in search results. Lastly, we have internationalization and multilingual support. Schema markup may expand to support more languages and cater to the needs of websites with international audiences. This will enable websites to provide structured data in multiple languages and improve search engine visibility in diverse regions. With that, we come to the best practices and tips for schema markup. Now, presented ahead are a collection of highly effective practices and valuable tips that are sure to elevate your online presence, whether you have a business website, an online store, or a personal blog. By implementing these suggestions, you can leverage the potential of schema markup, leading to a wide array of advantageous outcomes. Choose the right schema type. Select the most appropriate schema type that accurately represents the content of your page. Refer to the schema.org documentation to identify the best fit schema type for your specific content. Use JSON-LD for markup. JSON-LD is the recommended method for implementing schema markup due to its simplicity and flexibility. Place the JSON-LD script in the head section of your HTML for easy integration. Utilize Google Structured Data Testing Tool. Test your schema markup using Google's Structured Data Testing Tool to ensure proper implementation and identify any errors or warnings. Next is be precise and accurate. Provide accurate and detailed information in your structured data. Avoid overgeneralization or using generic data that may misrepresent your content. Don't overuse markup. Use schema markup only where relevant. Avoid adding unnecessary structured data to your pages, as overusing markup can be seen as spammy by search engines. Next, we have implement breadcrumbs. Add breadcrumb schema markup to help search engines understand the hierarchical structure of your website and display breadcrumb navigation in search results. Then we have use specific item types. When applying schema markup, use the most specific item types available to represent your content. This provides more context and relevance to search engines. Test and monitor performance. Regularly test and monitor the performance of your schema markup using Google Search Console and Google Analytics. Analyze data to identify opportunities for improvement. Include local business data. If you have a physical location, use local business schema markup to provide essential business details such as name, address, phone number, and operating hours. Next, we have leverage product markup for e-commerce. If you run an e-commerce website, use product schema markup to enhance product visibility in search results and enhance rich snippets. including price, availability, and reviews. Next, we have Optimize for Mobile. Ensure that your schema markup is optimized for mobile devices to deliver a seamless user experience on all screens. Keep up with schema updates. Stay informed about updates and changes to the schema.org vocabulary and adapt your structured data accordingly to remain compliant and up to date. Next, we have Ensure Consistency. Ensure that the structured data matches the actual content of your page. Inconsistencies can lead to confusion and potentially harm your search engine rankings. Don't use schema for hidden content. Avoid using schema markup to hide content from users. This is against Google's guidelines and may lead to penalties. Lastly, avoid keyword stuffing. Do not use schema markup as an opportunity to stuff keywords. Use structured data to provide relevant and valuable information, not to manipulate search engine rankings. And with that, we'll conclude. Schema markup is an invaluable tool for enhancing online visibility and optimizing the performance of websites, online stores, and blogs. By structuring data in a standardized and easily understandable format for search engines, schema markup enables businesses and individuals to communicate their content more effectively to both users and search engines. This results in improved search engine rankings, increased organic traffic, and enhanced user experience. Now, as the internet continues to evolve, staying ahead of the curve and implementing schema markup will remain a crucial aspect of successful online presence. By adopting schema markup best practices, businesses and bloggers can ensure they are making the most of their digital efforts, reaching a broader audience, and enjoying the manifold benefits it brings to their online ventures. So don't hesitate to harness the power of schema markup and unlock its potential to propel your online presence to new heights. With that, thank you for watching.
Just a quick info guys, Intellipaat offers advanced certification in digital marketing and analytics designed by industrial experts and IIT Madras faculties. The advanced certification in digital marketing and analytical program aims to help you understand business problems, marketing principles, branding, and PR communication. You will also gain digital marketing skills that are crucial for excelling in marketing domain. The program is designed to help you master skills such as understanding the key fundamentals of marketing as well as essential digital marketing skills like organic marketing, paid marketing, marketing analytics, and more. With this course, we have already helped thousands of professionals in successful career transition. You can check out their testimony on our Achievers channel, whose link is given below in the description. Without a doubt, this course can set your careers to new heights. So visit our course page, link given below in the description, and take the first step towards the career growth in the field of digital marketing.